Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your daily destination for smart tech that makes everyday life easier, safer, and a lot cooler. Today, we're diving into a powerful home security upgrade, the Blink Outdoor 4, the newest wireless smart camera system, and this one comes in a 5-camera setup for complete coverage around your home. The Blink Outdoor 4 isn't just another camera, it's an all-in-one wireless security solution designed for serious peace of mind. Each of the 5 cameras in this kit features 1080p Full HD video, giving you sharp live views during the day and infrared night vision for clear footage even in complete darkness. One of the biggest wins with Blink Outdoor 4 is its 2-year battery life. Yes, you heard that right. You can mount these cameras practically anywhere around your home without worrying about frequent charging. They're truly wire-free, so installation is a breeze whether you're placing them at entry points, driveways, patios, or backyard fences. The cameras offer real-time alerts directly to your phone when motion is detected, and thanks to enhanced motion detection, you get more accurate and customizable notifications. You can also use two-way audio to talk directly to visitors or delivery drivers or scare off intruders. Right from the Blink app, Live View is available anytime whether you're on vacation or at the office. You can quickly check in on all 5 camera feeds in seconds. And since Blink Outdoor 4 integrates seamlessly with Alexa-enabled devices, voice control is easy. Just ask Alexa to show your front door, backyard, or any other camera view, and you're good to go. The Blink system also gives you flexible storage options. Choose between local storage using the included Sync Module 2 and a USB drive, or go with an optional Blink subscription plan for cloud storage and advanced features like video history. And don't worry about weather conditions, each Blink Outdoor 4 camera is weather resistant, designed to handle rain, snow, and heat without breaking a sweat. If you're serious about stepping up your home security with a scalable, smart, and battery-efficient system, the Blink Outdoor 4-5 camera kit is one of the best investments of 2025. Tap the link below to grab yours and get full coverage with one easy system. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the next smart home upgrade, only here on Gadgetverse.